Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from the Fishless Fisherman. It's a beautiful day in North Georgia. It's almost 70 degrees and we're up here at the local creek doing a little fishing. Gonna be using red worms, 1/64 ounce jig head. Let's just see what we can do. It's been a slow 2026. Only caught 2 fish, but hopefully we'll have a little bit of luck today with it being a lot warmer. You guys stay tuned. All right, everyone, let's see what we can do. I'm out here at a creek today. Try to see if there's any bluegill, any kind of bass, anything out here that just wants to have fun. We're sitting at 70-degree weather in February, so I'm going to take advantage and hopefully the fish are in this pocket here. We're fishing at a old covered wooden bridge. Beautiful. I'm getting some. All right, first fish of the day. It's not a big one, but it is a fish. Look at that. First fish of the day. Look at that beautiful purple color it's got on it. That's pretty. Hooked him right in the corner of the mouth. That's perfect. Alright, let's get him off the hook and back in. Alright, this is awesome. I love warm weather. I've been waiting for warm weather for a long time. Alright, get another thump on it right there. I don't know if it's still there or not. Let it sit for a minute. See if it'll come back for it. Alright, where's my worm? Worm is still on there. So let's get it right back down there. Same spot we were at. See if it goes back for it. Sometimes they'll see it go back down on the fall, and then they'll go swim up to it and just attack it. Just give a quick little jig. And sit there for a second or two. Alright, we get another hit, guys. See if he'll commit to it. Yep, I got him. It feels a little bit better than the one we just caught. Oh yeah. There we go. Another nice looking purple one. They're not real big. They're really cold though. The water's still real cold. Got them right there. Hooked them up again on the ouch. Fin got me. Let's see if we can get them to calm down so you can see them. But you see, so far the 2 that we've caught got that beautiful purple color on their back there. Alright, let's get him. And then you can see I caught him right there on the side of the mouth. We're fishing with red worms. So that's 2 in about 5 minutes. There you go. Alright, let's get him out. Back in the water. And he saved me my worm. So that's 2 fish on the same worm. Let's get this back out. Now we just had another one tugging on it. You can see the line or not. Come on. Waiting for him to get a good grab of it before I set the hook. Still messing with it. There we go. Tried pulling it right there. Come on. Where are you going with it? Can't tell if he's got it. It's not very big. Nope, doesn't have it. That's why you got to be real careful when you go to set the hook. Because if you got smaller fish that are playing with it, if it's not in their mouth, you're just gonna pull it right out. So you got to make sure they swim off of your line pretty good. So we'll just get the worm back out there, see if he circles back around for it. There we go. Something's messing with it now. Oh, I got him that time. There we go. Another one. They all look the same. They're not real big. Ugh, just got creek water in my mouth. They're not real big. They're like a purpley color. See that? Whoa, settle down. All right, so here's what I'm using. Having to retie, but it's a 1/64 ounce red jig head, and then I've got 2-pound mono on here, green color. So I'm just going to show you all what I do for pan fishing, fishing for small fish, bluegill, shellcracker, things like that. I just do a simple fisherman's knot. So you run it through the eye, and then I'm going to take the tag in, and I'm just going to wrap it about 6 or 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take that tag in. Gonna run it right back through the loop right here. Okay, so you can see what you're left with. All right, then you're gonna wet your knot, grab the tag in, and then pull the tag in to cinch it all together. All right, and then this right here is what you're left with. That's a simple fisherman's knot, perfect when you're fishing for small panfish, bluegill, brim, shellcracker, things like that. So you're going to take your scissors and just cut the end of your tag line. There you go. Then we'll rebait some red worms. Oh, almost forgot. Gotta put the split shot on there. So this is my setup when I'm pan fishing. I got one of these old split shot holders, and I buy different size split shots that I keep in there, and then I keep all of my small hooks. So this way, if I ever want to just carry this, just throw it in my pocket or in my bag, and I've got everything I need for when I'm pan fishing in there. So that's my setup for that. And then the split shot, I just put that right above my jig, right above my hook, and that's my whole setup. Small split shot, 1/64 ounce jig head, and a fisherman's knot. And then I use a red worm. Get one for you guys. So here's my worm, and then I usually hook it twice. So if they pull on the tail, you got it hooked on there twice. Makes it a little harder for them to take off. I don't know what it is, but it feels like a good one. Let's see what we got. Oh, heck yeah. So we got a shell cracker. Ugh. Awesome. Look at that, guys. First catch of the day. Another shell cracker. Second one of the year. Nice. We're not keeping any today. That is a nice catch. It would be a keeper. If I was keeping any. Oh, there it goes. Awesome. Not skunked today. All right, what'd you catch, Robert?
Catfish.
Is that your first one?
It's my first catfish.
Yeah. What are you gonna name him? Whiskers?
Yes.
Hold it up.